This question relates to learning curve theory. You have to find out where this learning curve theory applies or not. In case where there is a automation, as the question says, automation in a division of a company, for that I feel the human intervention is not there, therefore learning curve theory does not apply. Human intervention is not there, learning is not there. Now the second part of the question says it helps in automation, helps in setting standard. What does this mean? This means that if you have to see setting standard is done by human, therefore this is a scenario where learning curve theory apply. Third case is computer pricing decision. In pricing decision, if you see, the use of cost adjusted for learning curve helps in making right price. So this learning curve theory applies here. The last part says experienced workmen are more prone to learning effect. The answer is people who are already very much experienced, they don't accept to learning. It's a rare case. So in general I can say learning curve theory does not apply here. As a rare case it might apply in a 1% case, but in majority of cases it does not apply.